Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in the kitchen again, nah? And I'm with my best friend. But let's introduce her.
Hi guys, this is me Jojo.
Okay, so today we'll be cooking creamy pasta. We are trying creamy pasta. We don't know how to do it yet, nah? But Google will help us. So we are cooking creamy pasta and
Steak
and soup,
gravy.
nah? Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And we'll show you the ingredients as we cook because we don't have time to say this is what this is. You just see, nah.
But we've got 6 done, hey son.
Chop one.
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, babe?
Chef, what's up, baby?
Can I put
So guys, normally my brother is the one coaching me and stuff, but today we have a different coach now. So bear with us as we try this new meal. For now it's new, for her maybe it's not, but for me it is. So for now we're gonna rinse our veggies and then start chopping and stuff. Last time I didn't show you guys my chopping because of storage. This time I'll try nah.
拉上了出租窗帘，点燃香烟，躺看着四口墙面，双手无力的抖落在了床沿，想闭上双眼，就能进入场面，早就已经厌倦，还是不懂得自己有很多梦，但好像只是妄言。Run with my dream.
Hi babe. Hi guys, we're about to cook the chakalak or this is the size of my poultry, and you see chakalak obviously by little beans.
进行一长长的记忆，把酒拼命的喝，写给心灵的歌，四处流荡，仿佛被生活遗弃，经历了谎言欺骗，虚拟背义，在你面前展现的惊人演技。
Guys, this is my size pot for pasta. So now I'm gonna boil the pasta yam, and then yeah. What are you doing? She's gonna spice the meat, nah.
但每个人都可爱人民币，上午开始溃烂，孤独成习惯，最后只剩自己在黑暗中独伴，孤身一人才能把自己看清，把自己的心事给影子聆听，相信只有影子才会真的懂你，因为他在另一个次元与你平行。身体早就已经被烟水掏空，没了灵魂，只剩下了一副躯壳，每天浑浑噩噩，像活在梦中，再也找不到那种最初的快乐。Who do I have? Who do I have? 我还拥有谁，或者谁在我的身边？没有心思再去做那些无谓争夺，只配日复一日的过着愚昧生活，周而复始相信那些虚伪承诺，日落西落还有寂寞独自撑过，但老天依旧没有给我正果，生活的枷锁还是没有挣脱，走在街上四处都亮着灯火，我知道没有依然是会为我逐渐的我把。
Guys, I'll now be doing the seasoning. Yeah, the macaroni now. So let's get into it.
不度适应，爱上了黑夜的独有寂静，也不会再对感情苦苦痴情，因为真的害怕失去，明白自己总会被他人取代，所以不会再去把别人依赖。Who do I have? Who do I have? 我还拥有谁或者谁在我的身边 ？Who do I have? Who do I have? 我还拥有谁或者谁在我的身边？
So guys, we've come to the end of the cooking vlog. Please like, comment and subscribe. Please also rate us out of 10. I know the plate were a bit messy, but we tried now.
Thank you guys.
Until the next video, positive vibes only. Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Stay